hi guys, we just arrived at Rremegio Beach Club. So super excited. The teams are there on the class. So let's make fun van and all.
Welcome to Rremegio Beach Club!
We're heading to our room. So, akong partner is si Mami Minerva. So, kami ni Mami Minerva, kauban sa room. Kaya para daw may gear. Huwag kagwapakon. Huwag kaslimon. Correct na. Lagi. Room kay 27. Here, number 27. Oh, welcome. So, this is our room, guys. Ah, okay. So, this is the room. Guys, I'm so happy to see na ano na talaga siya. Moving na yung industry. Ano na siya. Marami ng tao dito sa Rremegio Beach Club. You can really see meron na rin mga events. So, it's super helpful. So, bumalik ako dito kasi naiwan ko yung phone ko. Ready for lunch. We're here right now sa ilang resto. Sila dito. May food, lunch. So, makaon sa ako. Mauna akong food. And the rest of the gang. Hey! Hello, sir! Picture! Ay, si Miss. Well,
Sana din Mama nervous na? Like even the last time.
so guys, yummy kayo siya. Say nga na niya.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Rremegio Beach Club. My name is Lidl and you can call me Coach Lay. And we have the 3 programs of the Rremegio Beach Club. First is modular, and second Olympic, and the lastly the amazing race. So now we're going to modular activity or games. So we start the ground activity, then for the tower like zipline, wall climbing, rappelling, and lastly the maze runner. Atong aquatic activity is many activities na atong mabuhat, like the fill me up, then the second is submarine, the third is loadable, and then lastly archer rabbit wall. By the way, nami bag-o karon nga activities nga natukod na. Mao ni siya ang equilibrium, freedom wall, and then the unique human tank, and then the spider web. Spider web nga naka-stansya, then spider web nga duha ka buok nga naka-plane. Join mo diri sa team building facilities of Rremegio Beach Club. Dili mo sugot nga once nga kamo mugawas, dili mo ma-enjoy og daghan mo mga values nga makuha. And then namoy mga natun-an nga madala ninyo sa inyong mga family, and di lang kaingon nga activities is duwa lang ato ang gikuha kundi natay pagtulunan.
Hi, I'm Jane Antonetinok, the Assistant General Manager of Rremegio Beach Club.
And I am Trisha, the Senior Sales and Marketing Executive of Rremegio Beach Club. So, as we see, Rremegio Beach Club started like
22
years ago. From Jane with her family, which owns the lot.
Actually, nagsugod ni siya sa pagbata na mo nga every weekend mo visit mi sa akong parents, among grandparents. Actually kanang KTV din ha, mo nang house sa among grandparents. So every weekend mo na akong parents, oh ato na sa San Rremegio. 1 week pa lang gani mo magburot na mi og salbabida. Magburot na mag salbabida, and then ang ana mi ka excited nga mo visit gid mi halos every weekend sa ako ang grandparents. And then naka-think ang ako ang dad, which is usa sa fisherman din sa San Rremegio nga. Why not maghimo tag ato ang own resort, which is yeah. So naala ko papa maghimo lang ka tag ato lang. So naghimo mig pool, naghimo mig cottages, naghimo mig mga ginagmay nga mga rooms para lang kanang or lagi resort. Wa mi nag-expect ing ani di ay hinahinay mi og palit og lahat. So yeah, nalingaw sad mi among gipadako ang resort, and mo-cater na mi og mga big groups like weddings, corporates, and so on.
And then actually on the year close to the 18, that was the start of the team building facilities, which was being with the idea of Sir Mark Enoch, which is our general manager. So it started when the team building started. That is the very the best thing that we have nga mura siya mo differentiate siya or mo different siya sa resort other than the other resort. So mo guna siya. So San Rremegio Beach Club in the span of years becomes the team building destination sa North. So we have sa team building namo we cater governments, corporate companies, example BPOs and private companies also. And then for the team building facilities, we have our zip line, rappelling, wall climbing, maze runner. We also have our facilitators, which is free from the package if you want to avail the package. So regarding with the packages and the rates, first we go for the rates. So for the rates, we have our regular rates. So you can visit our page, Facebook page, San Rremegio Beach Club for the rates. For the rates is we offer 30% for the contracted rates or the governments and 20% discounted rate for the corporate rates. Mo siya ang mga kanang rates sir. So in terms of the events also, the weddings, the parties, the occasions, we specifically coordinated also with their coordinators, especially to the clients who are less ang ilang budget, but they want to spend it to San Rremegio Beach Club. So we are very flexible good kaayong resort. Just for their occasions to be accomplished or their wedding events to be held in here, which is dako kay na siya pansa sa mga sa marketing namo nga collaterals. So aside from that, for the team building packages, we have our overnight nga package, corporate overnight and corporate day tour. So sa day tour namo, the packages includes already the free entrance fee. We also have meals on the package for the day use and the snacks. But here in the team building package for overnight stay, we do actually have a lots of mga free na siya basta mukuha lang mo sa among package nga overnight. For the package of overnight, free entrance fee na sad siya. Free na ang room accommodation. Depends kung kuan lucky mo kung makakuan mo sa among ambassador, dili mi magpili kung kuan kay labi nag package kay hatag mo sa among cheap nga rooms. No, we do fair good kaayo sa kuan. We want our clients to feel at home sa San Rremegio Beach Club and enjoy San Rremegio Beach Club. So aside from that, the room accommodation, we also have the meals, the lunch, dinner, and the breakfast the next day, and 1 p.m. snack, which is either AM or PM snack. And we have our facilitators on free. Siya na ang bahala sa inyong team building program. If you really want nga mag-team building mo, wala kung may problema basta makuha mo sa among package. We also have this romantic sky dinner pala guys, which will be held on our tower. Murag sunset ang iyang vibe. For those couples out there nga ganahan nga thrill ang ilang date experience, we also cater that one. We also have our dinner by the beach, which makaset up sud me. So for all of those events, happenings here in San Rremegio Beach Club, we have our page, Facebook page, San Rremegio Beach Club. Already naana dito tanan ang mga details inyong i-ask guys. You can call us also, naara dito among infos tanan.
I would like to invite all of you to visit our resort, San Rremegio Beach Club, located at Tambungon, San Rremegio, Cebu.
Fun with endless discovery!
So next will be maze.
Leader.
Follow the leader, guys.
Go. Go.
Nya ako magtalikod ko.
Dili cycle.
Tuwa na lang ko.
Time. The leader.
Follow the leader.
Anong dili right?
Ala. Balik kita ni ba?
This is the first time.
Why?
Uy!
Nalibalik sa agi.
Kalisod ang PR nila.
Uy, balik!
Nalibalik sa agi. Sa exit.
Uy, unsa mali?
Balik kay.
Maabtan kita ning buntag.
Nakupot siya doon.
Ay, kagid.
Sa baga. Abaga.
Post sa post.
Basi na mabilin.
Kira ka sa
Kira ko.
Balik sa tani ron. Muli pong tani.
Maglakaw raman ta.
Oh, lakaw na ni sir.
Edna?
Balik!
Balik.
Ikaw sa ikaw na.
Ako na sir, follow the leader. Follow the leader.
Ano?
Sige. Ali! Asa mi sir? Asa mi sir?
Sige ka na.
Sige kay mag-boot say.
Sige. Sige, day.
Ito to work.
Uy, kahugyaw. Uy, ay kabalaka kay kabawra ko.
Nari siya answer key.
Naku yan.
Why lagi si Sai ka? Woo! The perfect size. The perfect size.
Uy, wait. Wait, wait.
Oh, the bread left mo kuno left.
Left.
Basig ko ana, basig. Ay balik kasi, balik na dito sa. Basig kani. Dili. Kana, basig dito na. Okay. Ya, ante. Left,
Wait,
right.
no.
Ay, dili siguro?
Good.
Good.
Dili, uy.
Dili lagi.
Wala dito.
Good. Goodness.
Book on.
Ha, asa man ni?
Yeah. Yay! Ang contest ani siguro kanang pila ka paspas. Pila ka paspas. Pero kadua mo gadungan ni, duha ka team.
How does it
Duha
feel?
ka-
How does it
Very
feel?
tiring.
So nalingaw ra ka ranch?
And
Perting lingaw ah.
excited.
Gikapoy. So, zipline ang next na mo activity. Ang mulaban kay si Jem, si Arancha, and Christine. Ako, ay lima mi.
Ako test ko nagwan. Okay na sa mga.
Ako kay first. So, laban. Dam. Dara.
Magubang motor ano? Ada na yung mabuti.
Go, Christine!
Pila ka minutes pa kami dito?
Hala, si Mami Minerva, naghigda na! Oh, grabe ka supportive! So guys, ako na yung sunod. Kuya, tagpa ako sa ikuan akong kamay. Sige, kay kung mahagbong, merese.
Kana mahagbong.
Asa man ni kuya? Tempa. Uy, asa iya. Tagay sa kong briefing.
Ano ba ba?
Ari ko kupot. Dayawan.
Lingkod, murag nagduyan.
Amra pag nagduyan. And then, chapa.
And then, pwede na ang masigaw. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go.
Then after, asa mi, mulakaw na mi nga to, sir.
Dili. Mo adto pa ka sa babaw.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Wala ka nice ato eh. So guys, I'm done. So
Okay, Ra.
back and forth. Okay, Ra. Wala ko nahadlo kay nag-video ko, sir. So guys, nangurog ko. Tama. Pull up. So another. So mga tatamo, balik tangad to sa atong gigikanan. And ay murag wa kay na ko na experience ang thrill ka nag-video ko, nagbalik din ako mag-video. Nakuyawan ko kanito, tuyok laging ako unsa may imong storyatin? Wala, nag-picture siya. Naka-picture lagi ko.
Yeah, gana anak ko din.
Naka-picture pas Christine ako kay dina. Uy, yun saan man ning kalaki?
Maragwa.
Di na. So, mabalik na mi sa among pinanggalingan. Asa naman ko, sir? Wala na. Thank you. Tempa ako sa ning ikuha ng akong camera, sir. Kaya mahabilin ni. Tempa so. Asa gay ko to kupot. Diri. And malingkod ako. Wait. And go na ka.
1 2 3 go.
Oops. Yay, I'm done. Thank you, sir. Woo. Okay. Pull up. Yung. Gara na kay nakazipline na. Gara na kay may nakazipline na. First time ako again. Alright. First, gloves first, mga yen.
Okay. Release yun.
I-release na lang nagsigi din.
Good. Ito. Nice. Go, Seka. Na-picture.
Slide na.
Dito balik. Dito balik. Wala ko tingog ato. Katulan mo ito na.
Artista. Happy birthday. Pagkagaan, oy.
Okay, kayo.
Mayak ka pa.
Go.
O, dahil.
Ready for dinner. Grabe. Lamig kayang food. Excited for the seafood. Or, kung kay bawa pa lang kung inani ka bongga ang setup no. Nakagaw na lang ta.
Say Bahia.
Bahia dinner. Ganun. So, waiting na ay band sa akong front. Tay lechon sa akong luyon. Ay seafood. Beautiful setup dire guys. So excited na ko for dinner.
RM News, Cebu New Events Blog, YouTubers Club, GMA7, CCTN TV's 47, Z.PH, Y Cebu, Cebu Now, Manila Bulletin, iNews.PH, Arancha, Blue Cebu, Life is Beautiful, all of your media partners, welcome to Rremegio Beach Club and thank you for coming. Even though bihiktik yun yung kanyang schedule, thank you so much.
Welcome umaayong pag-abot sa Rremegio Beach Club. After the pandemic, in the devastating super typhoon, the comeback of the different tourism events in the different towns of our province is a manifestation that we are now on our way to recovery. Looking back at the last 22 years since my fisherman father built this resort for our family, I've seen the blood, sweat, and tears that were shed just to make this dream a reality. With God's blessings, coupled with sheer hard work and sincere determination, we made it through. Fast forward to present, we have now established a good name in the industry by making our resort a home away from home to all our kababayans and guests from different parts of the province, the country, and the world. Mostly supporting us in our meaningful causes. Salamat kaayo. You made us realize that it's through our individual and collective efforts to revive our advocacy on tourism industry that we will continue to shine through. Our dear friends from the media, we share with you the pride and honor in this humble victory. Always know that your presence plays a significant role in the business. So sit back, relax, and let us all enjoy the night, everyone. Thank you and good evening.
I wish to invite you to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and come take a trip to the untamed and beautiful northern Cebu. Allow us to let you explore the unwavering serene shores and the alluring sunsets. Allow us to let you experience the unparalleled tranquility of the longest shoreline in Cebu. As we take pride in our customer service, allow us to pamper you not only with delectable cuisine paired with exquisite Filipino hospitality, but also a touch of nature's chilled breeze and tropical gardens. Considered as one of the best corporate team building destinations of Cebu, please come to Rremegio Beach Club, where you can bond with endless possibilities and allow us to be your home and adventure all at once. Hope to see you there.
Of the